Hello, this is Marcellus from JACKNOLOGY.COM, and this is one video in a series of how to remain safe on the internet. Now, I have a virtual machine running. It's Windows 8.1, and so we could just pretend this is like a brand new computer. And the goal of this video here is teaching you how to install free programs, but at the same time avoid adware, spyware, and possibly viruses, toolbars, changing our home page, and all these other things that occur after we download some programs. So I just found this program online, PC Optimizer Pro updation. Is actually an update for the PC Optimizer Pro program, which I've gotten on this virtual machine. I did it on purpose, but I just ran a program. I was installing this game here, but it came with a load of other programs, and I installed them. And I thought this being a great idea to make a video to teach people how to avoid getting this junk on the computer. So instead of you watching a long video, here's a short, abbreviated, straight to the point version of that lesson. Okay, so this popped up. Now, let's say you wanted this program. I really don't advise it. I removed this program from a lot of computers because it pops up showing that there's a lot of registry errors. And whether it's a legitimate program or not, I'm not saying whether it is or it isn't, just covering my tail. Not saying it is or it isn't a legitimate program. All I'm saying is a lot of people complain about this and other programs popping up on their system, telling them to pay for a service or to pay for the program to remove these registry errors. So when I restarted this computer, this message popped up, it updated, and this presented the opportunity to teach you what not to do. Okay, now right here, when you install in free software, a lot of times the free softwares are funded by adware. So what happens is when you want to install, let's say, this program here, it comes bundled with a bunch of other programs. So most of us don't read this right here. We just click next. But I'm going to take a moment to read, not totally read, but just to scan this box here and show you how to avoid the problem. Now, as you see right here, it's made by this company, and if you press Express and just click next, well, you don't even have to press Express, just click next here. The Express install includes extensions by Speakit, and these are the programs that's going to install. Browser extensions, shopping, domain errors, slick saving, start page, eBay, Amazon, set Yahoo as your default search, home, and new tabs page. And most people don't want their home page changed. You don't want new toolbars. You don't want any of this stuff happening. But most people click next without noticing this here. So the way to get around that, just click custom, and now you have the option to now I don't want to change that my home page. No, I don't want this program. No, I don't want that. You have that option there. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click Express, because this virtual machine is infected anyway with adware pop-ups from my last video. And lo and behold, see, another, I click Express and look, something else pops up. We recommend my PC backup. Not saying whether it's a good program or not, but I have removed this as well, so I don't think it's the best. You have the option here to install it. Some people just click accept instead of just unchecking. No, I don't want it. Most people just accept it, so I'll accept next, and that's the process, and we'll see what happens. Home page disappears. Now you have a new home page. You may have new tabs. may have new toolbars. It works. So we'll see what happens after this is all installed. I'll pause the video and then resume after everything's installed. Okay, and we're back. So now this is what that's what happens after this stuff was installed. So now this program is trying to load. Here we go, it's doing its thing. I've gotten this page in the background, and now this is my search. This is my home page instead of it being the MSN home page, because this is a new install virtual machine, but this is the home page now, and this is the search. No longer Bing, no longer MSN. This is it. And yeah, that's what happens. So the whole moral of the story is, please check those boxes when you're about to install any program. Just see if there's alternate methods. Try the custom method. Try a section where it gives you the option to deselect or uncheck programs, and make sure you install what you were typically looking for in the beginning. Do not install anything extra, because that can lead to problems. And that concludes this video. My name is Marcellus with JACKNOLOGY.COM, here to help you tech it easy.